Ay mga queens, napapansin mo bang mas mabilis na mag-dry o mag-dull or magka-fine lines ang skin mo lately? Hindi lang yan dahil pagod ka, possible sign na rin yung skin aging. Ang skin aging kasi nangyayari yan in two ways. So, una is yung intrinsic aging na tinatawag nila. Natural aging ito habang tumatanda tayo. At yung pangalawa naman is yung extrinsic aging caused by sun exposure, diba? Pollution, stress, at lifestyle. So, habang tumatagal, bumabagal ang collagen production, at numinipis ang skin barrier, no? Mas mabilis mawalan ng moisture ang skin natin dahil dyan. Kaya, importante ang tamang skincare combination. Lalo na itong Papaville Enzyme Peptide Renewal Serum na una kong ina-apply sa skin after kong mag-cleanse at mag-cleanser, no? So yung enzyme peptide serum, it gently removes dead skin cells, brighten dull skin, ina-improve din yung skin texture natin, at it supports firmness and hydration. So, importante talaga, no, na inaalagaan din natin ang ating mga sarili. Yan. Light lang yan, dapat. Okay. Then, next, no, and light lang talaga. Huwag masyadong madiin. Spread around your face. Then, sinasabayan ko rin yan ng anti-aging moisturizer from Papaville. At eto yung pangalawa. Etong Papaville Ultra 5A Retinol Anti-Aging Moisturizer. So, ito naman, it supports collagen production. O, diba? Smooth ang fine lines at wrinkles natin dyan. Then, deeply moisturize your skin. It brighten your skin tone. And it will protect your skin against environmental stress. So, always yun talagang isipin na importante talaga itong dalawang ito dahil mas prepared ang skin mo to absorb nutrients better, mas hydrated, mas supported ang skin renewal process natin. At syempre, bilang babae, nanay o hardworking person, self-care is not vanity. It's part of taking care of yourself physically, emotionally, at confidently. Kaya check out the link if interested, or share mo to sa kakilala mo or kaibigan na need din ito. Save mo na rin for future reference. Kaya, ayan, diba? Gandang result yan, te. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.